Welcome to our ultimate review of the top 7 microwaves for home in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just looking to reheat leftovers, finding the right microwave can make all the difference in your kitchen. Today we're ranking the top contenders from compact powerhouses to versatile multi-cook appliances to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Danby, a small but mighty countertop microwave that's perfect for compact spaces. With its 0.7 cubic foot capacity and 700 watts of power, it's a solid choice for dorm rooms, office break areas, or kitchens tight on counter space. Its 10-inch turntable ensures even heating, and the express cook buttons make quick meals a breeze. However, its limited size and lower power output mean it's not ideal for larger dishes or complex recipes. If you're heating up a big bowl of soup or a family-sized casserole, you might find yourself waiting a bit longer. But for small portions or quick reheats, the Danby delivers simplicity and efficiency. Add in a child lock for safety and you've got a dependable entry-level option for budget-conscious buyers. Next up is the GE, another compact model with 700 watts of power and a slightly larger turntable. It's tailored for those who value simplicity and ease of use. With features like instant on controls and auto defrost, it takes the guesswork out of heating and thawing your food. But again, like the Danby, its size and power are its primary limitations. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, it's a great fit, but larger households might find it underwhelming. Where this GE model stands out is in its user-friendly design and intuitive controls, perfect for tech-shy users or seniors who just want something that works. It's small, reliable, and gets the job done. Moving up the list, we have the Kenmore. With 900 watts of power and a slightly larger capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, this microwave strikes a nice balance between compactness and functionality. It also offers 11 power levels and an array of preset cooking options, making it versatile for everyday use. The Kenmore excels at reheating meals, cooking frozen dinners, and tackling quick snacks like popcorn. It's a step up from the 700 watt models, but still compact enough for smaller kitchens. However, some users have reported that it can be a bit noisy during operation. If you're sensitive to sound, keep this in mind. Still, with features like a child lock and LED display, it's a well-rounded choice for small households. Taking things up a notch, we have the Panasonic. This microwave is where performance meets innovation. It's equipped with Panasonic's inverter technology, which delivers even heating and eliminates those frustrating hot and cold spots. The 1.3 cubic foot capacity offers plenty of space, and with 1200 watts of power, it's fast and efficient. One standout feature is its genius sensor cooking, which automatically adjusts the time and power based on the type of food. It's like having a personal assistant in your kitchen. However, the control panel can take some getting used to, and the door mechanism isn't as smooth as you'd expect from such a high-quality microwave. But if you value precision and speed, the Panasonic is a great choice. For those who need serious cooking power, the GE20S1 delivers. With its large 2.0 cubic foot capacity and 1200 watts of power, it's perfect for families or anyone who regularly prepares larger dishes. Its sensor cooking controls automatically adjust for optimal results, while its spacious turntable easily accommodates oversized plates or casserole dishes. Of course, this size and power come with trade-offs. It takes up more counter space and consumes more energy than smaller models. But if you have the room, the GE is an excellent investment for big households or meal prep enthusiasts. The TOSHIBA is a versatile 7-in-1 appliance that combines a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, and more. This is a kitchen game changer for those who want to do it all without cluttering their counter. The air fry function is a standout, offering a healthier way to enjoy crispy foods. Its compact design belies its impressive functionality, and features like inverter technology and a humidity sensor ensure precision cooking. While it's a fantastic multi-purpose tool, the controls may take some time to master, especially if you're unfamiliar with combo appliances. Still, for versatility and innovation, the TOSHIBA is hard to beat. Finally, we have the Midea, an over-the-range microwave that doubles as a high-performance ventilation system. With 300 CFM of airflow, it keeps your kitchen fresh while you cook. Its smart touch panel makes operation simple, and the diamondback coating interior is easy to clean. This microwave offers one of the most extensive lists of preset cooking options, from oatmeal to casseroles. Its large capacity makes it ideal for families, but the over-the-range installation may not be practical for everyone. If you want a powerful microwave with ventilation capabilities, the Midea is a top-tier choice. And there you have it, the top 7 microwaves for home in 2024. From compact models like the Danby to innovative multi-cook machines like the TOSHIBA, there's something for every kitchen and lifestyle. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that help you make smarter choices. Thanks for watching.